sun is rising through my room, chasing out the fading gloom. Golden light on everything, feels like I can finally breathe. Easy steps across the floor, don't need anything much more. Little moments feel so right, wrapped in warmth and gentle light. Feeling out, let it stay. All my worries drift away. In this glow I can see there's a brighter side of me. Morning glow, rhythm in my soul, taking time I lose control. Every beat feels light and free, like a song inside of me. Morning glow, don't fade away, stay with me throughout the day. In this feeling I remain, smiling through the sun and rain. Soft breeze dancing on my skin, let the good day now begin. Every task feels light and smooth, moving in a gentle groove. Laughing at the little things, joy is in the air it brings. In this vibe I wanna stay, let it guide me through the day. Feeling out, let it stay. All my worries drift away. In this glow I can see there's a brighter side of me. Morning glow, rhythm in my soul, taking time I lose control. Every beat feels light and free, like a song inside of me. Morning glow, don't fade away, stay with me throughout the day. In this feeling I remain, smiling through the sun and rain. Let it shine, don't hold back. Every step along the track. In this light I feel brand new. Everything is shining through. Morning glow, soft and bright, carrying me into light. In this joy I will stay, let it guide my every day. In my confession, yeah, I see your shadow in the flashing lights. You feel my presence in the crowded nights. No need to speak, I read your eyes. Yeah, you're caught in every move of mine. Soft perfume in the summer air. Yeah, you turn around, I'm already there. Yeah, like a secret you can't ignore. Yeah, I pull you closer, wanting more. Don't pretend you don't feel it too. Every beat leads me to you. Take my hand, don't hesitate. We're already sealing fate. This is my midnight confession. You're my sweetest obsession. In the rhythm we collide. No more secret left to hide. Midnight confession, can't deny. See the truth behind my eyes. Every touch electric flow. You're the only one I know. Your heartbeat dancing next to mine, like a melody lost in time. Every second feels so right, wrapped together in this night. I don't care what comes tomorrow, no regrets, no space for sorrow. All I want is here and now. Feel the magic we allow. Don't pretend you don't feel it too. Every beat leads me to you. Take my hand, don't hesitate. We're already sealing fate. This is my midnight confession. You're my sweetest obsession. In the rhythm we collide. No more secrets left to hide. Midnight confession, candy night. See the truth behind my eyes. Every touch electric flow. You're the only one I know. Let it out, don't be afraid. All these feelings we delay. In this moment we are free, just you and the beat and me. Midnight calls, I say your name. Nothing ever feels the same. In this vibe we both belong. You're my never-ending song. Midnight kerosene love. Midnight kerosene love. Street lights flicker on your face. We're moving in a secret pace. Engine humming like a song. Feels like nothing could go wrong. Your hand resting close to mine. Time dissolves into the line between the dark and burning glow. Only we will ever know. No rules here, just the flame. Even silence feels your name. Every breath, every sign, blend your heartbeat into mine. Midnight kerosene love we ride, burning slow, no place to hide. Afro rhythm in our veins, dancing through electric rain. Midnight kerosene love so wild, two hearts moving like a mile. In this fire we survive, barely breathing, still alive. Still alive. City fades into a blur. All I see is me and her. Baseline shaking through the air, like a promise laid bare. Every second feels too close, like a dream we both imposed. Not too fast, not too slow, just the way we let it go. No rules here, just the flame. Even silence feels your name. Every breath, every sign, blend your heartbeat into mine. Midnight kerosene love we ride, burning slow, no place to hide. Afro rhythm in our veins, dancing through electric rain. Midnight kerosene love so wild, two hearts moving like a mile. In this fire we survive, barely breathing, still alive. Let the sparks rewrite the night, no wrong turns, only right. If we crash, we ignite in this endless neon light. Kerosene love. Kerosene love. Fade away, but the fire's here to stay. In this rhythm we arrive, burning softly, still alive. Midnight rhythm flow. Midnight rhythm flow. Warm breeze moving through the night. City glowing neon light. Your body close, I feel the heat. Slowly swaying to the beat. Eyes locked, no need to speak. Every moment feels so deep. In your vibe, I lose control. Feel the rhythm in my soul. Don't rush now, take it slow. Let the feeling overflow. Every move, every sway, dancing on your skin. Let the music pull us in. Every step we synchronize, like a wave that never dies. No more thinking, just the flow. Let the energy just grow. In your arms I feel so right, lost with you into the night. Now take it slow, let the feeling overflow. Every move, every sway pulls me deeper in your wave. Midnight rhythm, you and me, moving slow so naturally. Every touch, every sound, got my heart spinning around. Midnight rhythm, feel the groove, body talking when we move. In this vibe I wanna stay till the night just fades away. Dancing through the midnight rain. Moonlit drift cold. Moonlight crawling on the road. We're inside a silent code. Windows down, the air so clean. Living somewhere in between. Every mile feels like a dream, glowing soft in midnight sheen. You and I, no need to speak. Let the rhythm find its peak. No direction, just the flow. Let the feeling start to grow. Every breath, every sign pulls your rhythm into mine. Moonlit drift cold, we rise slow, where the hidden currents go. Afro heartbeat in the night, turning darkness into light. Moonlit drift, don't fade away. Stay with me until the day. In this motion we survive, lost inside this midnight drive. Street reflections on your face, time dissolves in open space. Every second feels so wide, like the ocean in your eyes. Bass is talking through the floor, got me wanting even more. In your silence I can hear everything I hold so near. No direction, just the flow. Let the feeling start to grow. Every breath, every sign pulls your rhythm into mine. Moonlit drift cold, we rise slow, where the hidden currents go. Afro heartbeat in the night, turning darkness into light. Moonlit drift, don't fade away. Stay with me until the day. In this motion we survive, lost inside this midnight drive. If the night begins to bend, let the rhythm never end. No beginning, no control, just the motion of the soul. Moonlit drift, fade to gray, but the feeling stays the stay. In this cold we come dry.